Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, see 12th standard CBSE miscellaneous exercise. If cos y equal to x cos of a plus y with cos a not equal to plus or minus 1, prove that dy by dx equal to cos square a plus y by sin a. See here you can take down the sum. See, let cos y equal to x cos of a plus y. Okay, you can bring this side x equal to, you can bring it to the denominator, x equal to cos y by cos of a plus y. X equal to cos y by cos of a plus y. Previously we have seen dy by dx, y with respect to x. Y with respect to x means y become dy by dx. Now I am going to do x with respect to y. X with respect to y. So x become dx by dy. Differentiate x with respect to y. Differentiate x with respect to y. So x become dx by dy, y become dy by dy, so the value is 1. Is it clear? X become dx by dy, x with respect to y. We can use it as u by v formula because both numerator and denominator having a y value, so we can use it as a u by v formula. It gives, see, cos of a plus y the whole square, y the whole square, v cos of a plus y, v u dash you will write d by dy of, because with respect to y, d by dy of cos y, d by dy of cos y minus v u dash minus u is cos y, v dash d by dy of cos of a plus y, cos of a plus y, cos of a plus y by v square. So dx by dy equal to, dx by dy equal to cos of a plus y the whole square is nothing but what? Cos square a plus y, cos square a plus y, cos of a plus y into d by dy of cos y is nothing but what? Minus sin y, minus cos y into cos of a plus y minus sin of a plus y minus sin of a plus y into, see here, minus sin of a plus y into a becomes 0 and y become 1. A becomes 0 and y become 1. See here, dx by dy equal to cos of, again I will write cos of a plus y, I will take it that minus out, minus cos of a plus y into sin y, minus into minus become plus, minus into minus become plus, cos y into sin of a plus y, a becomes 0 and y become 1 by whole divided by cos square a plus y, whole divided by cos square a plus y. See, dx by dy you can write it in a proper way, sin a plus y cos y minus cos a plus y minus cos a plus y sin y. minus cos a plus y sin y by cos square a plus y. See the formula. You think of the trigonometric formula. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. What is the formula for sin a cos b minus cos a sin b? Sin of a minus b. Sin of a minus b. Sin of a. What is the value of a? A plus y. B. What is the value of b? Y. Okay. Sin of a minus b by cos square a plus y. It gives sin of a plus y minus y. Y get cancelled. Cos square a plus y. So dx by dy equal to sin a by cos square a plus y. But we want the value of dy by dx. So reciprocal that term, it gives dy by dx equal to dy by dx. Dx by dy is sin a by cos square of a plus y. Dy by dx equal to reciprocal. Reciprocal the term cos square of a plus y by sin a. See the 17th sum. X equal to a into cos t plus t sin t. A into cos t plus t sin t. Differentiate x with respect to t. Dx by dt equal to a into differentiation of cos t is minus sin t plus. This is, you can use it as a uv formula because two t terms are there. So you can use it as a uv formula. U into v dash. V dash differentiation of sin t is what? Cos t plus v into u dash. Sin t into t become 1. Sin t into t become 1. It gives a into minus sin t plus t cos t plus sin t. So sin t get cancelled. A t cos t. Sin t cancel. A t cos t. Next. Y by dt. You can write down the value of y first. Y equal to a into sin t minus t cos t. Sin t minus t cos t. Dy by dt. Dy by dt equal to dy by dt equal to a into dy by dt equal to a into sin t become what? Cos t. Differentiation of sin t is cos t minus. That same thing you can apply for uv formula. This is u and this is v. U v dash plus v u dash. T into cos t become minus sin t plus v. Cos t into u become what? 1. Differentiation of t is 1. So what is the answer you are getting for dy by dt? A into cos t plus minus into minus become plus t sin t. T sin t minus cos t. T sin t minus cos t. Cos t and minus cos t get cancelled. What is the final thing? A t sin t. A t sin t. Dy by dx equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. Dy by dt by dx by dt. Dy by dt is at sin t by dy by dt is at sin t by dx by dt is what? At cos t. So at get cancelled. Sin t by cos t is nothing but what? Tan t. So dy by dx equal to tan t. See, dy by dx equal to tan t. dy by dx equal to tan t. d square y by dx square equal to, see here, t with respect to x. T with respect to x, differentiation of tan x is nothing but what? Secant square. So it gives secant square t. It gives secant square t. Then t with respect to x you will write into dt by dx. Into dt by dx, because here x, here t is there. You cannot be able to differentiate like this. So you will write dt by dx, t with respect to x. Usually what is the value of dx by dt? Dx by dt equal to at cos t. Dx by dt equal to at cos t. Reciprocal, dt by dx equal to 1 by at cos t. 1 by at cos t. See here, d square y by dx square equal to secant square t into dt by dx equal to 1 by at cos t. 1 by cos is nothing but what? Secant. So secant square t into secant t into 1 by at. So what is the answer for this? 1 by at into 1 by cos t is nothing but what? Secant t. So secant square into secant is nothing but what? Secant cube t. So d square by dx square equal to 1 by at secant cube t. See the 18th sum. If f of x equal to mod x cube, what is the meaning for that mod? Mod is nothing but, we can take it as plus or minus or otherwise root of x square. Mod x is nothing but what? You can take it as plus or minus. If you are see in the upper column mod x, you can take it as x less than 0 is minus x, or x is greater than or equal to 0. We will use this one, or see here, mod x equal to root of x square. Root of x square. F double dash of x exists for all x and find it. First you know modulus of x is continuous for all values of x. Modulus of x is continuous for all values of x. See here, modulus of x is continuous. Modulus of x is continuous. Modulus of x is continuous for all values of x. For all values of x. Modulus of x is continuous for all values of x. We know very well. So, modulus of x cube. Modulus of x cube is also continuous. Modulus of x cube is also continuous. Modulus of x cube is also continuous for all real values of x. 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 See here, I will do it in two methods. First method you will see here, I can take it as f of x equal to modulus of x cube. F of x equal to modulus of x cube. F dash of x. F dash of x. Generally see here, differentiation of sin cube x. What we will do? Differentiation of sin cube x. That is d by dx of sin cube x. Generally you will write what? 3 into sin square x into cos x, because differentiation of sin x, chain rule function, into cos x. The same way you can proceed there also. X is different, mod x is different. Okay. See, f dash of x equal to 3 into modulus of x square. First you can apply for power, then d by dx of mod x, d by dx of mod x, 3 into modulus of x square, then d by d, differentiation of mod x. Now you are going to see what is d by dx of mod x. D by dx of mod x is nothing but what? D by dx of root of x square. You don't cancel square and 2. Okay. See here, d by dx of x square whole power 1 by 2. X square whole power 1 by 2. What is the value we are getting here? X square whole power 1 by 2. What is the value we are getting here? See, n into x power n minus 1, n into x power n minus 1 into 2x into differentiation of x square is 2x, n into x power n minus 1 into 2x, 2 get cancel, 2 get cancel. So what is the value for that? See, d by dx of mod x equal to x into x square whole power minus 1 by 2. You can take the LCM, minus 1 by 2. It gives x by x square whole power 1 by 2. So x square whole power 1 by 2, we already take it as what? Mod x. X square into root x. Mod x, that meaning is nothing but what? Root of x square. Root of x square. So x by mod x, you can substitute here f dash of x. You can substitute f dash of x equal to 3 into modulus of x square into x by mod x, into x by mod x. It get cancel. It get cancelled. So what is the value we are getting for f dash of x? What is the value you are getting for f dash of x equal to 3x mod x. 3x mod x. Now you move on to f double dash of x. They are asking about the second order derivative f double dash of x. F double dash of x equal to uv formula you can apply. uv formula. So 3x into v dash. V dash is nothing but what? D by dx of mod x. D by dx of mod x plus mod x into u dash. U dash is nothing but what? 3 into 1. 3 into 1. So it gives 3x. Already we know that value. So x by mod x. X by mod x plus 3 into mod x. X by mod x plus 3 into mod x. See, 3x x by modulus of x plus 3 modulus of x, x not equal to 0. We will write it here. F double dash of x equal to, I will write 3 mod x plus 3x square by mod x. 3x square by mod x. So f double dash of x equal to, f double dash of x equal to 3 mod x plus 3 mod x the whole square. 3x square I will write as what? 3 mod x the whole square by mod x. It get cancelled. So what is the value? 6 mod x. So f double dash of x, f double dash of x equal to minus 6x, where x less than 0, because mod x is plus or minus meaning. Then 6x, x greater than or equal to 0. If you want, I will tell you in the diagram. See here, what is the function they have given? What is the function? X axis, y axis, y equal to y equal to x cube. So the diagram is like this. That orange line represent the diagram is like this. It is a function y equal to x cube, modulus of x cube, that is y equal to x cube. What is the first order derivative you are getting? 3x square. First order derivative is, it's nothing but what? The curve is like this. First order derivative is, the curve is like this, y dash equal to 3x square. The curve is like this, y dash equal to, the blue curve represent first order derivative, y dash equal to, that is f dash equal to 3x square. What is the second order derivative represent? See here. Second order, there is x, y. From that first order derivative, this is the first order derivative, f dash of x equal to 3x square. What is f double dash of x? F double dash of x equal to 6 into mod x. This is f double dash of x. F double dash of x. This represent f double dash of x equal to 6 into mod x. So the function is continuous function. I will do it in another method also, the same sum. See here. See the same sum. This is another method. Another method. You draw the diagram. Then you will write f of x is continuous for f of x equal to mod x is continuous for all real values of x. The same thing, f of x equal to mod x cube is continuous for all real values of x. Now I will take it as f of x equal to modulus of x cube if x greater than or equal to 0. X greater than or equal to 0, f of x equal to x cube, f of x equal to x cube, f dash of x equal to, differentiate with respect to x, you are getting the value 3x square, you know very well. Next, f double dash of x equal to 6x, f double dash of x equal to 6x. If x less than 0, if x less than 0, f of x equal to minus x the whole cube, f of x equal to minus x the whole cube. So it gives minus x cube, f dash of x equal to minus 3x square, and f double dash of x equal to minus 6x. So you will write f double dash of x equal to, f double dash of x equal to 6x where x greater than or equal to 0 and minus 6x, x value is less than 0. You will draw the diagram, then it is known that the function is continuous for all real values of x. See, 19th sum, using mathematical induction, prove that d by dx of x power n equal to n x power n minus 1 for all positive integers n. Mathematical induction. You studied in 11th standard itself. See, first you can take it as p of x equal to d by dx of x power n equal to n into x power n minus 1. Put n equal to 1. Put n equal to 1. D by dx of x power 1 equal to 1 into x power 1 minus 1. D by dx of x equal to 1, anything to the power 0 is 1. So what is the differentiation of x? X is nothing but 1. So p of 1 is true. If p of 1 is true, p of 1 is true. If p of 1 is true, sub n equal to k, put n equal to k is also true. put n equal to k is also true. N equal to k, so you will write p of k equal to d by dx of x power k equal to k x power k minus 1. Therefore, p of k is also true. Then you can take it as to prove n equal to k plus 1 is true. N equal to k plus 1 is true. See, p of k plus 1 d by dx of x power k plus 1 equal to k plus 1 into x power k plus 1 minus 1. So, plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. You can take this one, d by dx of x power k plus 1, you will write it as d by dx of x power k into x power 1. X power k into x power 1. You apply x power k formula also, or otherwise you will use it as uv formula also. uv also you can use it. So, what is the value we are getting? X power k into differentiation of x is 1 plus x into k into x power k minus 1, k into x power k minus 1. So, what is the value we are getting here? See, it gives d by dx of x power k plus 1 equal to x power k plus kx into x power k minus 1. K into, see here, x power k into x differentiation is 1, then x into k into x power k minus 1. It gives x power k plus kx into x power k into x power minus 1. I can split the term, x power minus 1. It gives x power k plus kx into x power k into 1 by x. X power minus 1 is nothing but what? 1 by x. X get cancelled. So, what is the final thing you are having? X power k plus k into x power k. You can take it as x power k commonly out. What is the remaining thing left out? 1 plus k. So, you got the answer, k plus 1 into x power k. Therefore, p of k plus 1 is true. Therefore, p of k plus 1 is true by the mathematical induction, by the principle of mathematical induction, it is true for all values of x. It is true for all values of k. It is true for all values of k.